H Cigar Ohm meter when they go wrong. I've got the Magma, by the way, on here, and this is part of the reason it goes wrong, is they've got a really long 510 connection. So if you're swapping out lots of different ATIs, you'll find that you're pushing down on the centre pin, the positive pin, quite a lot. And you can either get it so it just comes up like, where is it? 888, can you see that? Or sometimes what happens is the figures, it won't read correctly. There's a good example. Didn't think it's going to do that. You see it going up and down all over the place. Or it just isn't accurate. So what you can do, basically take off the battery cover, flip out your cheap batteries that I put in here, pull up the cover strip that protects it. Now what you're looking for is the yellow wire. I do have one of these that has a green wire in the middle, but it's generally yellow or green. And what you need to do is you need to push, I've already done it on this, so I don't need to do it, but what you need to do is right through the centre there, they've got some glue here on the back, right through the centre, you can push something down there and push out the pin in the middle here. Now, what you can do is you can loosen it as well, get a fine screwdriver and just egg it around the bottom there. When you get it so far, you'll see it's loosening. You can basically push the wire from the bottom and out comes the pin. Now what's happened is the pin's been crushed down. So there's a little washer below it. Now you can use O-rings, but I'd suggest you use quite a long washer. Oh wow, that went straight back on, so there you go, I'm going to show you it with the washer on. You see that little white washer? Pull that back in. Down there. Put your cloth connection back on the back. Battery. Back in, cover on, there you go. Now what you need to do is, you see, you need to make sure this is seated properly by pushing it down, and the easiest way to do that is to use an ATI. Screw it on. Voila. Do that. 0.55. You're probably seeing 0.22 because it records backwards. But just to show you, I'm going to take it off again. Got back to R1. Screw it back on. .55. Solved.